Hey everybody, today I'm at John Heinz National Wildlife Refuge. We've had a lot of really heavy rain. It's low tide here right now and high tide's gonna come this afternoon. But as you can see, it's pretty flooded. So I'm heading towards the big boardwalk area, which is a spot that I go to frequently. So the path just kind of goes through here, and normally off to the right is a pool or a pond of water, body of water. But in this case, the flooding has gotten so bad that it's kind of spilled over, and at this point I can't continue on this trail. This is the end of the big boardwalk trail and it's completely flooded out. So I'm going to turn around and go back the other way. So like I mentioned, it's low tide now. It's about 9 in the morning. I believe high tide's going to be around noon. So I think the flooding is going to get worse here. So even though there is some flooding going on, there's still plenty to see and do here at the Wildlife Refuge if you avoid the low-lying areas. So I'm going to show you some of the beautiful birds that I saw today while visiting. Many thanks for watching our video. We've got some really fun stuff coming up on the channel. We've got some national park focused content. And then coming up next week, we're gonna show you Moraine State Park. And then my daughter and I actually went on a seal tour recently in the Delaware Bay. So we're gonna bring you that on Tuesday of next week. Thanks for watching.